Okay, here you have a Makita polisher, one of our standard pieces of equipment, and there's a metal spindle just coming off the end of it there. They're also easily obtainable from any tool shop, and on the end of it you've got a spinning cloth circular disc on it, and this is made up of dozens of layers of cloth and of course our wax bar. Now I've used a good 80% of this bar. They come about 12 to 14 inches long, and we'll just spin the disc up and we actually melt this wax onto that spinning disc. What we're going to do here is basically just work our way into the Perspex, fairly high speed here, and we're just pulling off those top layers that have been weathering and building up over the last 15 to 20 years. Don't muck around with this, you've got to be fairly aggressive with it, otherwise you'll be 3 to 4 times the time frame it takes to remove that top layer. And there's the result. Now just be aware that there's quite clearly a little bit of residue on this paint, especially from the wax bar. That obviously comes off with a good hosing and a wash down, which is what you need to do at the very end. You need to leave your job as clean as possible when you depart, which is what I'll do at the end of today. But here's the paint I've done. You'll see it's transparent to a point. You can see right through to the ground there. And this is the paint that is still in its standard form. The top section there has been done. I just have to wash that off as well. You'll see here that that just comes up quite nicely. So we just have to attack this section, and then looking right around the other side, I've got another end to this canopy to do. This one is now finished. Other than that, of course,